All right, the drink we're about to make is called the Cranberry Newt. Let's put our ice in a glass and measure out 1 shot of rum. And we're going to use light rum here. And obviously it's going to have a little bit different flavor if you use a spiced rum or a dark rum. And next thing we're going to do is fill halfway with cranberry juice. And halfway with good old orange juice. There we go. And let's grab our mixer here, give it a good shake, get it nice and cold. Nothing better than a cold cranberry newt on a hot summer day. And if you really want to be authentic with it, feel free to garnish with a newt, which is a small lizard, I'm pretty sure. Go ahead and pour it out. And give it a straw. And bottoms up.